What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be replacing the fuel filter on my 2002 Mustang GT with the 4.6 liter. Now this will work on most Fords, just in general. Doesn't really have to be a car, or it can be cars. The Mustang, earlier years, just for fuel filter replacement in general, this is pretty much how all the Fords go. Especially the newer style, not brand new, but like my year, 2000 and stuff. This is the fuel filter I have. It is Motorcraft. There's the part number. Now this one, they don't make anymore, they just stopped making it. So there's another one that you can get, that's actually I think a little bit cheaper than this one, if I'm not mistaken. This one I actually bought for my F-150, my 2003 F-150, and it's the same one that works on this Mustang. Hence why this will work on most Fords. I got my tools. These are fuel line quick disconnect tools. My only problem with this one is to get it to fit in. It's a little bulky. So I went out and bought these. As you see, they're open because my brother-in-law, he just borrowed them last weekend and used them. Said it worked good. Worked for him. Got the light up underneath there. So I'm going to crawl up underneath there and get started. Also, before you get to this step, don't forget to disconnect your battery anytime you're working on the fuel system. Okay, I hope you can see from there. So one bad thing about using this GoPro is you can't really see exactly what you can see unless I use it off my phone, which kills the battery on the GoPro because you have to have the Bluetooth hooked up. New GoPro coming though because this one's taking a dump on me. These two clips right here, you can just pop these right off. They should pull right off. Oh, that was my thumb. Son of a mother. That one just pulled off. It's easier if you pull it from the back where the little string is connected. And make sure you have a towel. Okay, it's a 5/16 size diameter. I already have mine sitting up in here. So I have my towel sitting here, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it. I'm actually going to hang the towel up here. Try not to block the light though for the camera. Hopefully I don't get no gas on the camera. Well, I guess first it would have helped if I would have loosened this up. It's getting there, it's just being stubborn. There we go, finally. Just gotta wiggle it. Wiggle it around. That right there is what you're trying to get it off and around. There's little clips in there that clip over that. So this is going up in there to push the clips open to get it to release off of that. This one was tight, so it wasn't a lot of room. And you have to pull and twist, and it's just not that much room to pull and twist at the same time. And I'm trying not to block the view of the camera. Hopefully I'm doing an okay job at that. you go. Now that one off. Now remember what way it's facing up there. You need to get your new one out and put it up in the same spot, just so you know, and you have it sit the same way. So when you go to put it up there, you already know what way you took the old one off from. And I let the car sit for a few days, and as you see, there's no feel in the lines because I think it just all evaporated from sitting the past few days. Put the new one back up in here around the hose clamp. Hook up this line first, the one on the driver's side. You'll hear it snap in there like that. That means it's connected, good to go. This back one has more play, so you can work it a little better. There you go, snapped in there. Try to wiggle it, see if it goes anywhere. It doesn't. Go ahead and tighten this hose clamp up. Whoa, Nelly. There you go. Now just put these clamps back on. Just gotta figure out which way they go on. There you go, both on. Everything's connected and good. Okay, now it's time to kick on the fuel pump and see if we have any leaks. Okay, I heard it kick on for a second, turn it right back off. If the ground's wet, you got a leak. If not, then you're good. Everything seems good. I don't see nothing dripping. Also, I just went ahead and cut 1 inch off my fuel rail hose. This hose right here that goes across from each fuel rail. It's still got quite a bit slack there. I was trying to cut a little more just so I can tuck it underneath this lip here. But I cut about 1 inch, 1.5 inches off, and wasn't enough. But it's a real pain in the butt to get that hose back off after you get it on there all the way. So it's just going to do for now, but I did get about 1.5 inches off of it. So that helped. All this work. Who wants me to fire up the Mustang? Seems good. That's how to replace your fuel filter on your Mustang like mine, the SN95 or the New Edge. For the most part, Fords in general. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you're new to the channel, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace. Real quick, I just want to say, this video that you're watching right now, I had done quite a bit ago, probably I would say a month and a half ago. It was before I did my 13.8 pass. So it's probably been about a month. And I've had it done I've just been busy doing other videos that I thought were more important than this one, and I was saving this one for a rainy day. I was trying to post this a few days ago, but then I got sick with a stomach flu, and I haven't been feeling good. So I've had it mostly edited. I just haven't been able to post it. Sorry I haven't been posting as often with everything that's been going on. Just really haven't had time. Been working a lot. Sun goes down early. Everything that went on with my dad passing away, and then I took a couple days to go with the family to Gatlinburg, which that video will be coming within the next few weeks, I hope. So if you think this video is a little old, that's because it is. It's not too old though, but this is just for all my subscribers that watch all the time and all my videos. This video was taken probably about a month, 2 months ago. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. To my dedicated subscribers. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.